Di- The solution.
Okay. The solution using two-segment trapezoidal rule is b minus a over 2n multiplied by f of a plus 2 times the value of the summation of f of a plus I times h, I from 1 to n minus 1 plus f of b. So, substituting, we have n equals 2 because we are using two segments. A equals 8, b equals 30. So, h is b minus a over n. So, we have 11. So, substituting to the formula for multi-segment trapezoidal rule, we have 30 minus 8 over 2 times 2 times f of a, plus, which is 8, plus 2 times the summation of f of 8 plus 11i, I from 1 to 2 to 2 minus 1, because that is the value of our n.
Hindi 1 pa rin.
11 is our age, so IH plus f of 30. So, simplifying, we have 30 minus 8, 22 over 2 times 2, 4. We have that multiplied by f of 8 plus 2 times f of the value of the summation is 19 plus f of 30. So, using what we previously discussed, we have 22 over 4 multiplied by 177.27. This is the value of f of 8 plus 2 times the value of f of 19 plus 901.67, the value of f of 30. So, we have 11,266 meters. So, for letter D, finding the true error, we have the exact value of the above integral is, again, 11,061 meters. So, the true value is equal to the true value. So, the true error equals the true value minus the approximate value. So, we have 11,061 minus 11,266. This is obtained from our letter A. We now have negative 205 meters. Solving for C, we have the absolute relative true error for the two-segment trapezoidal rule would be true error over true value multiplied by 100. So we have negative 205 meters, our true error, over true value multiplied by 100. We have 1.8537%. So if you will notice,
Yung kanina?
from our previous
Wala. Yung one segment.
using single segment,
And then,
the error was decreased from 7.2958%. The absolute true error was reduced to 1.8537%.
hindi mas better gamitin to.
So, as you increase the number of segments, the relative true error is decreased. So, the approximation will be closer to the true value.
And that's the end of report.